What does the future of manufacturing require? Higher productivity coexistence with the global environment, including achieving carbon neutrality consideration for human work satisfaction. These social demands are essential for sustainable development. To meet these social demands in a well-balanced way requires overcoming many dilemmas. All these dilemmas have been difficult to solve at the same time. Production sites have been facing multiple issues, and we offer to solve such issues with OMRON's manufacturing innovation concept. We call this concept I-Automation. We have developed over 200,000 different control devices covering all lineups needed for factory automation by focusing on production sites. We have also produced more than 230 types of control applications by integrating control devices with software, the ability to automate expert craftsmanship, the capability for continuous learning and self-evolution, and to be able to understand and assist humans as required. They are all possible with OMRON's advanced automation. Around this advanced automation, we can realize new manufacturing concepts that solve various on-site dilemmas. First, the concept of automation beyond human ability targets production sites mainly involved with automated machine processing. Integrated control solution combines robotic control with motion control in a finely tuned manner, enabling automating work that relies on expert skills, and combining AI that incorporates human judgment to enhance productivity through autonomous control. Furthermore, by maximizing energy efficiency, we have realized a new manufacturing concept that combines high productivity with environmental preservation. Next, the concept of advanced collaboration between human and machines targets production sites focusing on manual processing. Advancing collaborative technology between human and machines, machines accompany human, maximizing human potential and enabling human and machines to grow and evolve together. It is a new manufacturing concept that combines labor productivity that can respond flexibly to various demands while maintaining work satisfaction. Digital engineering innovation supports the two concepts of manufacturing we're striving to achieve. By fully synchronizing information from equipment, robots, and energy sources gathered throughout the production site all in real time, we can realize the realistic simulation of a production facility in a digital environment. This contributes to innovations in business processes such as factory management, equipment design, and on-site improvements. Through these solutions in new manufacturing concepts, we strike a balance between the advancement of industries, maintaining work satisfaction, and global environmental preservation. We are ready to help the realization of sustainable development for manufacturing. OMRON enriches the future for people, industries, and the globe through innovative automation.